Right, here's a super clean 23 T-bucket that I have for trade. Lots of chrome, sounds great, fun ride. It's got a 350 engine in it. You can hear it, that engine's rattling that plate down there. This thing is quick out of the hole. It's a head turner. Also comes with the top, not shown in the pictures or on the video. I'll take some pictures of it so you'll be able to see what it looks like with the top on it. Rev it up so you can hear how it fires up. It's got a lot of power behind it. You would not want to open this thing up full throttle, that's for sure. You got a trade offer, want to make an offer on it, let me know. I'm looking for all kinds of cool hot rods and trucks. Thank you.